Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today we are diving into the world of advanced booster serums from RAS. Now I know we are all on a quest for that radiant youthful complexion. So let's explore these scientifically formulated serums that promises to elevate your skincare routine to the next level. But before I dive in, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. Alright, now let's get started. Now you might ask me why these RAS serums are very different from others and why they are not ordinary serums. Because they are going to provide long-term benefits to the skin. These are synergetic blends of multi-active ingredients. They are prepared in floral serum base. These are vegan, cruelty-free, natural, organic and toxin-free. Also, as they are free from any added fragrance, so anybody and everybody can use this. Okay, first up we have this RAS Collagen Boosting and Firming Advanced Booster Serum. This contains 2% of copper peptides, 2% of probiotics and 1% octapeptides. Now this serum is not just a skincare, it's a science-backed elixir for your skin. With 2% copper peptides, it stimulates collagen production, making your skin firmer and more elastic. Probiotics and octapeptides joins the party, ensuring a balanced skin microbiome and reducing fine lines. And let's not forget the intense hydration because it contains hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, and you will end up with the most beautiful, plump and radiant skin. I've been using this serum and trust me guys, this is a game changer. First of all, I love how it feels on my skin. It's so lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy. It absorbs into the skin in minutes. The fine lines on my forehead, it's almost invisible now. It's like a little magic potion in bottle. Next on our list is this RAS Anti-Aging and Retexturizing Advanced Booster Serum. This contains 1% of retinol, 4% of ashwagandha and peptides, and 0.5% polyglutamate acid. Retinol is a powerful form of vitamin A that accelerates cellular renewal and improves skin texture. Ashwagandha and a blend of peptides ensure hydration and fight signs of aging. It actively deals with pigmentation. It evens out your skin tone, targets and reduces the appearance of dark spots and promotes a radiant complexion with regular use. Now I've been incorporating this in my nighttime skincare routine and the result, it's undeniable. After using this, my skin feels so much smoother. Now I don't have much fine lines, but if you have fine lines or wrinkles, this is going to deal with that like a pro. This is like turning back the clock of your skin. Now let's talk about this one. This is the RAS Brightening and AntiPigmentation Advanced Booster Serum. Now this contains 2% of stabilized glutathione, 2% alpha-arbutin and 2% kojic acid. And all of them are great when it comes to pigmentation, acne scars and marks. With 2% stabilized glutathione, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid and rose extract, this serum actively works to reduce pigmentation, dark spots and uneven skin tone. Glutathione reduces melanin production that effectively deals with pigmentation and promotes evened out skin tone. Alpha-arbutin targets hyperpigmentation, reduces dark spots and provides you a brighter and clearer complexion. Kojic acid is best in dealing with appearance of dark spots and pigmentation, and it effectively provides you a brighter, radiant, vibrant looking skin. If you are someone who is struggling with pigmentation for a while now, this is going to be a game changer for you. As you can see, the dark spots of my skin has visibly lightened and my skin looks overall even toned. Moving on to the RAS Barrier Repairing and Hydrating Advanced Booster Serum. Now this contains 2% of ceramides, 2% of hyaluronic and peptides and 3% marine extracts. This one is all about fortifying your skin's barrier with 2% ceramides, deep hydration with hyaluronic acid, peptides and the reparative power of 3% marine extracts. This serum taps into the ocean's reparative qualities, aiding skin's natural repair, provides rejuvenated complexion and radiant, healthy looking skin. And it provides so much of hydration and glow to the skin. I love it. And oh my god, I love the formulation of this. It has a very beautiful milky consistency and it feels so hydrating when you apply it on your skin. And I have noticed a significant difference of how hydrated and supple my skin looks after incorporating this in my skincare routine. It's like giving my skin a big drink of water. I would highly recommend this one. Last but not the least, and my personal favorite, which is the RAS Anti-Blemish and Marks Advanced Booster Serum. This contains 3% of tranexamic acid, 2% of willow bark extracts, and 2% azelaic acid. I would say these serums are a powerful blend of nature and science, with tranexamic acid, azelaic acid derivative, and willow bark extracts to minimize pores, reduce blemishes, and prevent future breakouts. Willow bark extract is a natural source of salicylic acid. It delicately exfoliates and unclogs pores while reducing acne, promotes a smoother and rejuvenated skin texture. Tranexamic acid is a potent skin lightening agent that diminishes dark spots and hyperpigmentation, promotes an even-toned skin, and improves complexion over time. Now this one and the barrier repairing one, both of them are my personal favorite. This I love using at night. But why I love this one? Because I have acne prone skin. As someone who battles with acne breakouts, this has been a lifesaver for me. It's very gentle yet effective. It's hydrating on the skin, and I love how it makes my skin look glowy and plump the very next morning when I wake up. So yeah, if you have acne prone skin, I would highly recommend this one. So yeah, there you have it, my take on these RAS Advanced Booster Serums. Whether you are targeting fine lines, signs of aging, pigmentation, blemishes, or hydration, there's a serum for you. But remember, skincare is subjective and personal, so find what suits you and what works best for your unique skin needs. If you have tried any of these serums, or if you have any other favorites, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot, so please consider subscribing and join my family. It would mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, or if you find this video helpful in any way. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!